my channel. Best wishes. Today we consider application of slope. Now, if there is a line L making angle theta with the positive direction of the x-axis. It's important. Positive direction of the x-axis. Slope of this line, we say M equals tan theta. And tan theta comes like this. Theta, opposite side, adjacent side. And tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So the situation here, if there is a parallel line, you see the same theta is coming. So slope will be M. So parallel line, same slope. So it's a fundamental idea. We will move to this when we discuss straight lines. Okay, we consider the case of an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means 90 degree less than theta less than 180. So it is in the second quadrant. The figure is like this. This is the angle theta which is more than 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So this is more than 90 degree. Now opposite side is positive because it is towards the height. It is above. Now adjacent is negative. So opposite by adjacent is positive by negative. It is negative. So tan theta is negative. That means M is negative. So in the second quadrant, slope of the line is negative. Now we observe, if the angle theta is more, the opposite side is more. If the angle is small, the opposite side is small. So if the angle is 0 degree, we see tan 0 degree is a 0 divided by adjacent side. 0 divided by adjacent side. And 0 divided by adjacent side is a 0. So we see tan 0 is 0. Now if you take 90 degree, you see tan 90 is coming. Tan 90, opposite side is very large. So we say it is infinity. So tan 90 degree is infinity. Tan 0 degree is 0. Okay, now we consider an application. 3k if 3 to 7 minus 1 and k minus 5 are collinear. So we determine 3k using slope. Now if this is A, B and C, slope of AB equals slope of BC because the points are on the same straight line. Now slope of AB, slope is y difference divided by x difference. So y minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. So slope of AB. And slope of BC, y difference minus 5 minus 1 is minus 4 divided by k minus 7. So we determine k using our simplification, that is all. So we are getting minus 3k. Then plus 21 minus 3k plus 21 is minus of 16. Minus 3k plus 21 is minus of 16. Now whenever we do calculations, make sure that you go through the result once more, because an error in any step will give a wrong answer always. Now here they are asking the value of 3k. So take this to the other side and take this to this side. So we are getting 3k equals 21 plus 16, or it is 37. Answer comes. We consider application of slope in determining division ratio of division. Now the ratio in which the point 32 divides the join of 0, 4 and minus 3, 6. Now we consider a straight line like this. 3, 2 is the point that divides, so it should come in between 3, 2. And the first point is 0, 4. This is minus 3, 6. So we observe ratio is coming. Now in the situation, the figure explains the idea. If a point divides a join in the ratio m is to n, the same ratio is applicable for the x values. The same ratio is applicable for the y value. So m is to n, or m is to n, or m is to n. This is by the property of similar triangles. So m is to n can be easily obtained as a difference of x by difference of x, or a difference of y by a difference of y. Now, so we consider here, if this is A, B, P, AP by PB. So we are taking like this, AP not by BP, AP by PB in the same orientation. It is x difference 3 minus 0 divided by x difference minus 3 minus 3, or it is actually 3 by minus 6 or minus 1 by 2. That means P divides AB externally. This means externally in the ratio 1 is to 2. Now we take y for this. By PB, we consider y 2 minus 4. We consider y 6 minus 2. So 2 minus 4 is minus 2 by 4 is minus 1 by 2. That means the ratio is 1 is to 2 external. Negative ratio means external division. You can see A, P, B. AP by PB is positive because it is in the same orientation. AP, PB. Here, AP by PB. AP is towards that, PB is in the opposite direction, so it is negative. So for internal, the ratio is positive. For external, the ratio is negative. Okay, now we consider application of slope. P is a point dividing the join of A and B in the ratio m is to n. A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2. We take P to be xy. Our problem is what is x, what is y. Now, we go to the result. A is x1, y1, P is xy, B is x2, y2. AP by PB is m by n. AP by PB is obtainable either by x or by y. So if you take x, AP by PB, which is m by n, is x minus x1 by x2 minus x. Now we have a situation like this. M by n is x minus x1 by x2 minus x. Now we see the answer of x can be obtained by cross multiplication and simplification. Now we do this with mx2 minus mx equals nx minus nx1. So this will go to the other side. This will come here. We get m into x2 plus x1 is m plus n into x. We are looking for x. So x equals x. mx2 minus mx is nx minus nx1. Minus mx goes there, minus nx1 comes here. We are getting mx2 plus nx1. On the other side, it is m plus n x. Or you are getting x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Now, exactly y can be obtained. It is similar result. Symmetry applies. So y will be my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Now what happens if the point of division is outside? The ratio is not m by n, it is negative, so it is minus m by n. Minus m by n can also be written as m by minus n. So if you replace n by minus n in the result, we get x and y. So for external division, x will be mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n. Y will be my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. For example, point dividing the join of 7 minus 2 and minus 4, 5 externally in the ratio 2:3. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, m, n. Externally is important. So the formula gives you the result. X will be m2 into x2 minus 4 minus 3 into x1 7 by 2 minus 3. Y will be exactly same. M into y2 2 into 5 2 into 5 minus 3 into minus 2 divided by 2 minus 3. So it is minus 8 minus 21. So it is minus 29 by minus 1 is a plus 29. 10 plus 6 is 16. Minus of 1 division is minus 16. This is the answer. So direct application of the formula. And we consider a question like this. The ratio in which the x-axis divides the join of 3, 7 and minus 2, 5. And what is the point of division? Now we know the x-axis means there is no y. So any point on the x-axis is of the form x0. So we take the case 37 minus 2, 5 and x 0. Now the ratio of division will come from here. The ratio of division equals y difference 0 minus 7 by 5 minus 0. 0 minus 7 by 5 minus 0. It is minus 7 by 5 or 7 by 5 external. Now for the point we require x. We take this one. The ratio is x minus 3 by minus 2 minus x. X minus 3 by minus 2 minus x. But that value is already there. Minus 7 divided by 5. We can cross multiply and get x. Simplify, get x. Once you get x, the point is there. I am happy to conclude the lesson with the best wishes for all of you. Now when we discuss a question, try to understand the idea behind the question. You have to put your brain into every question and then you think of the result. The result should be in your heart, in your head, in your mind, in your body. Thank you.